I want to make a quick video about the 200 simple moving average and a bullish catalyst where you see the price action break above all the moving averages and the 200, and then the moving averages are drug above the 200 and it gives bullish upside, so a bullish catalyst. So previously I posted this on June the 24th, this doc setup, right? Obviously Bitcoin has to cooperate here. This is a BTC trading pair, but just so you understand the idea. So it was by the breakout of this level. Obviously Bitcoin didn't cooperate immediately. And so the important part I want to share with you guys is understand how the 200 simple moving average acts as support. And it's definitely a bullish idea to get some type of retest and you get really nice bounces off the 200. Okay, this is a retest of the 200. Right, this works on higher time frames, like 4-hour time frame is a sweet spot where we're just starting to get some reversal ideas as far as these altcoins go. So the 1 hour will have to work for now, right? So again, the setup was posted back here, and you can see the price action didn't break out. Bitcoin didn't necessarily cooperate for quite a few days. But the key is I want you to see how the price action, so the 200 comes in here, right? Now, when the setup was previously posted, the 200's all the way up here. Now, the 200 will act as a magnet, right? You'll see the price come up and test it and potentially get rejected off of it sometimes, okay? In this situation, the 200, after the price action broke above the 200, you see you get a bullish cross of the 21 and the 200, and then this gives upside continuation, right? So what you're about to have is you got this red 50 simple moving average coming, and it's going to work higher, and then you're going to have the 100, the 80, all of them are going to cross the 200 bullish, right? So as long as Bitcoin cooperates, you got the price action and all the major moving averages about to break above the 200, okay? And so you get explosive moves based on this idea. Let me show you another one. This is Badger. So you see the 200 up here. See how the price action comes up, tests it, gets rejected, comes up, tests it, gets big rejection, right? Well, now, again, this is going to act as a magnet. This is going to act as a magnet. Now, it's good. You see the price action broke above the 21, the 50, all right? So you're building this bullish idea. This is by the breakout. Well, obviously, Bitcoin didn't cooperate, but this breakout level still stays valid, right? Even though if it doesn't break out immediately, it still stays valid. And so if you look at Badger, you see how the 200 simple came in here, right? Came in here, and then as soon as the price action broke above it, you got, a nice pump based on that idea. Bots buy on this idea, okay? So, and then notice you got the bullish cross of the 21 and the 200. I call it a baby golden cross. And then you got a golden cross as well. Now you've got the 80 and the 100 coming, okay? And you see, so you got the price action broke first. Now you got all the major moving averages about to cross bullish, right? And so that gives you these explosive moves to the upside. And so I want you to start looking for this. Another idea, I didn't post this setup, but just to see. Again, the 200 simple moving average, the price action's been below the 200, right? Below the 200. As soon as it breaks and holds above the 200, you get all the major moving averages drug higher, right? This right here, and I'll circle this sometimes on the setups, right? And maybe make a note like, hey, this is going to be a bullish catalyst. I mean, this works well. I mean, for the price action to be above the 200 and the major moving averages to be above the 200, the price has to be beginning an uptrend, right? Things have to be changing, right? And this is just, these altcoins are trying to bottom right now, and it's all dependent on Bitcoin, right? But just understand how you can use the 200 to your benefit in these trading setups, right? You're looking to see where the price action is in relation to the 200 simple. This is ICP, so I didn't post this one, but just as an example. All right, this is the 1 hour. You see how the price action the first time came up here, retest, it got rejected by the 200, came back down here, retested this support level, right? And then bounced, right? As soon as it broke above the 200, you got the 21, now the 50, now the 80, now the 100, okay? And this gives these bullish continuation ideas for this price action, okay? I mean, Bitcoin has to cooperate, but this is all going to play out like this on your altcoins. And so I just want to make sure that you understand like how to use the 200 to your advantage. Let's see one more real quick. So I posted this setup. We're still waiting on it. And the price action is cooling off. You know, the RSI was close to overbought. It's cooling off right now, right? But the price action came up here. You kind of had a fake out on the 200 right here. See how it crossed the 200? Right now it's up here and it's holding. And so, again, this is an idea for, so your stronger setups, you're going to see the 200 simple moving average play out as a bullish catalyst base. So let's look at the price action and just watch how it react to it in the past. Like, see this, how the 200 simple gets rejected here, gets rejected. This time when it breaks above it, explosive move higher. Just notice, if you see the price action, you got a pattern here, and the price action comes down here, retests the 200, boom. Same thing here, retest the 200, boom. Same thing here, retest the 200, boom. Pay attention to the 200 simple moving average.